This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Location. With an attached garage big enough for possibly 2 cars and additional parking, this tri-level condo is great for daily living and entertaining. The open floor plan of the living room with fireplace, dining room, upgraded kitchen is spacious and inviting. Resort upstairs to the bedroom spaces where brand new carpet was just installed. The outside balcony is great for unwinding and relaxing, or even the perfect new setting for teleworking. With the nearby shops and eateries, you could even walk or bike to your favorite venues. Don't miss out on your opportunity to make a piece of Virginia Beach yours today. For more information, review the details below.